Why, hello, we back again on the fz07. I don't know if I mentioned this in the last video, but you might notice I have a blue brake line now. So that's cool. Let's do some frickin' wheelies. That was terrible. Man, that didn't feel good at all. Let's fucking get it together. Choppy as fuck, jeez. Need to smooth that out. Those are feeling pretty good. I rode the Grom a bit yesterday. I think that's why I'm a little fucked up about the wheelies on this bike right now. Oh, son of a bitch. I don't even need fucking gas. Fuck. I don't know, it'll probably be fine. Probably should put gas in this. Son of a bitch. Man, I was standing up to double pegger. See if we can do it again. Made it up there. My biggest fear with running out of gas is running out of gas while in a wheelie. That would be frightening. Try stand up to double beggar one more time. Then maybe we'll go get some gas. Right, maybe not stand up to double beggar. Going too fast. Man, I need to stop sucking. That was sketch. Sketch as fuck. My heart dropped really fast right there. Thought I was going down. Alright, maybe some sit downs to the stop sign. Holy fuck, that scared the shit out of me. That's gonna be it for right now. Real short one. I'm sorry. But yeah, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Peace.